If you're seeing the message itch.io there was an error with your request, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This error can happen for a few simple reasons, like a weak internet connection, a temporary browser issue, cached data, cookies, or even a VPN that's interfering with the site. The good news is that most of the time, you can fix it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and website fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is refresh the page. Sometimes this error is only temporary, and a simple reload can clear it instantly. On your keyboard, press refresh or click the reload icon in your browser and see if the page loads normally. If the error is still there, don't panic because we have a few more fixes to try. Next, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can cause itch.io to fail when it tries to load your request. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and if possible, test another website to see whether it loads properly. If other sites are slow too, the issue may be your internet rather than itch.io. In that case, restarting your router or switching to a stronger connection may help. If your connection looks fine, the next step is to log out and log back in again on itch.io. Sometimes your session can become outdated or corrupted, and signing out, then signing back in can reset everything. Go to itch.io, log out of your account, then sign in again using your usual details. After that, return to the page that was giving you the error and check if it works now. If the issue is still happening, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, your browser stores old site data, and that can sometimes conflict with itch.io and trigger request errors. Open your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear cached files and cookies. After clearing them, close and reopen your browser, then go back to itch.io and try again. This step often fixes stubborn loading or request problems. Another important thing to try is disabling your VPN. Some websites, including itch.io, may block or flag requests coming through certain VPN servers. If you're using a VPN, turn it off temporarily and refresh the page. If the error disappears, then the VPN was likely causing the problem. You can then continue using itch.io without the VPN or try a different server if needed. If you've tried all of these steps and the error still appears, try opening itch.io in another browser or another device. That can help you figure out whether the problem is specific to your current browser. But in most cases, one of these simple fixes will get you back into the site quickly. So to recap, refresh the page first, check your internet connection, log out and log back in, clear your browser cache and cookies, and disable your VPN if you're using one. These steps solve most. There was an error with your request issues on itch.io. If this video helped you fix the problem, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.